What is Kanban?
Kanban is a visual system for organizing tasks, originally developed for manufacturing but now used for personal productivity. It helps you manage your to-dos, track progress, and spot bottlenecks at a glance. By creating a clear view of your work, Kanban makes prioritizing, focusing, and completing tasks easier and more effective.
Setting up your Kanban board.
To get started, create 3 basic columns: To Do, In Progress, and Done. Each task is represented by a card that moves from left to right as you work. You can make a Kanban board on paper, a whiteboard, or use digital tools. Keep it simple. This flexibility is what makes Kanban easy to adopt.
Visualizing your tasks.
Write out your current tasks on individual cards and place them in the To Do column. As you start working, move a card to In Progress. When completed, move it to Done. This visual flow helps you focus, encourages finishing what you start, and lets you celebrate progress as your Done column fills up.
Limiting work in progress.
One key Kanban principle is to limit how many tasks are in progress at once. This prevents overload and keeps you focused. If you find yourself juggling too much, pause and finish tasks before starting new ones. This simple rule can reduce stress and increase your overall productivity.
Reviewing and improving your workflow.
Regularly review your Kanban board to identify patterns or bottlenecks. Are tasks piling up in one column? Are some taking longer than others? Adjust your process, clarify next steps, or break down big tasks. Over time, Kanban helps you streamline your workflow and become more efficient in managing your personal projects.